I came in the world.
First wiper bundo. Try to get it in primer tonight. What's up, YouTube? Man, I know y'all been seeing all them other clips and I haven't been explaining my build, man, but y'all just been wanting to work on it. So got this truck last Friday. It's now April 2nd. I think it's like 11 o'clock. Actually, tomorrow's my birthday, April 3rd. Yeah, so we got like 8 minutes to my birthday, and I'll be 29 years old. Alright guys, this is a 2000 Silverado that I purchased at auction. If you guys don't know, I do have my dealer's license, so just got this at the auction. The bed was completely jacked up. Y'all saw in the previous clips. What I done to it so far is I done changed out all the speakers to Pioneer speakers. It was a lot cleaner, but I have been working and driving and working out of it since I had it. So to put a Pioneer CD player in there, put that in there, changed all the speakers. Yep. Oh, another thing, If you guys are interested in these two SiK shirts, I pulled one out. Man, let me know. Two SiK, because I got them in all color. It's a little saying that I go by. Skilled labor isn't cheap. Cheap labor isn't skilled. So, all colors, all sizes, red, black, blue, purple, orange, you know, whatever. But anyway, back onto the truck. So I done changed all the speakers, the radio, bought another bed, put a bed on it. This fender is effed up. I actually got a new fender. It's over here. Y'all will see videos of this BMW. That's coming next, which is right here. Yeah, got the fender. Just being lazy on putting it on, mainly because you got to take all the fuse box out. It's just a bitch to put that fender on, so I'm actually being lazy. I already took off the back bumper. I ordered the roll pan today. I ordered the new trailer hitch today. I shaved the rear tailgate today, as you guys saw in the pictures and videos. So we got it in primer. So where we're going back white with this truck. I'm painting the whole entire wheel white. I'm painting the grill white. There's nothing gonna be on this truck black but the windows and tinted tail lights, and I think I might leave the handles black as well. But other than that, everything is gonna be white. But yeah, so we'll be back once the roll pan and the trailer hitch get in, and then we can get back on her. So I ordered today. They said I should get it before April the 11th. So we'll see. Guys, we back on the SiKrado. Took the, as you guys saw in the last pictures, got my roll pan in, but it was dented up like a motherfucker. So I sent them an email, see if they give me some money back or something, because I'm not shipping it back. I damn sure can't ship it back now. Got my personalized plates in. I welded it in, finna do some body work now. Took the trailer hitch off because it sit too low. So now I'm finna order the one. The 6 back here. I don't like bashing people, so I'm not even gonna say where I bought this roll pan from, but it truly do suck. There was a big dent right here. I had to knock it back out. The adapter they gave me for the plate that folds the tag down, it's off. It don't fit. I had to drill a hole right there in order for it to work. So yep. But other than that, she's on. So alright guys, for to start some body work. And put it in primer. Roll pan is on. Body work, primer. And notice a little spot right here in this corner. Down here at the bottom down there. I'm gonna swipe with some Bondo. I'm gonna grind it smooth some more. And then I'm gonna swipe it with some mud and block it with 36. But other than that, That's the only spot we see I found. So I wired up the tag light. She working. So let this primer tack down, and then we're gonna shoot another coat, and that's it. So I think the next thing to do is put the fender on and fix the dent in that door. Then we can sand her down and paint her. Finna go get my wheels tomorrow. We're gonna paint the wheels. Got some 6s, so we're gonna paint the wheels white. Everything white. We're gonna tint the tail lights. I'm gonna get another tail light, cause whoever had the truck before me broke the clamp, so I had to get it duct taped in there. So, but we're gonna tint them, and then we're gonna get the trailer hitch and install the trailer hitch. Paint it white. Everything white. So. Alright guys, we'll be back once we get ready to put the fender on and finish the body work on the passenger side door. And I'm still trying to decide if I want to do a cow hood or not, so we'll see. What's going on, YouTube? We back on the SiKrado. Got the roll pan in. One of my distributors. In case you guys don't know, anything you see me put on my cars, I got distributor for this, so I don't pay. I pay wholesale for all this shit. So this right here is a Kurt trailer hitch. Just got it in Friday. It's Monday, and we're finna go ahead and put it on. I gotta go to run to Little Rock to pick up a car from the auction, and that's why I'm finna go ahead and put it on so we can run up to Little Rock. So I can run up to Little Rock real quick. So, all right, guys, let's get started. Put this sucker in here. Alright guys, got on there. Took maybe 10 minutes to put it on. I just tightened it up with the impact. Now I'm finna go back with the torque wrench and torque them all down. But there she is. Oh, she's in there. That's my wiring for my trailer lights right here. I'm gonna take the old bracket off the trailer hitch, and I'm gonna weld it somewhere up under here, maybe right up in here. I'm gonna hide it as well. So I don't know. We're gonna figure out somewhere to put it, but we're in there. So torque these bolts down. I'm gonna go ahead and jump on the interstate and head to Little Rock. Alright guys, since I done put the trailer hitch on, I done done a couple of things. I don't know if you guys noticed in the clip that this fourth door, I guess you can call it, rear door, wasn't tinted, but now it's tinted. If you guys don't know, I am tint exempt, so I can ride as dark as I want. So the front windows is 5%. I will be tinting the front entire windshield 35, and this back glass is 2%. This right here is 2% tint. If you guys don't know, I do tint windows. I just don't like tint windows, so I tinted this myself. But I will not be tinting the windshield. I can't do that. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But that's 5%, and that's 2%. Got the new tail light. Got it put in, and I welded up. I told you guys I was gonna hide the wiring for the trailer. I got it right there, welded up. I'm gonna grind it smooth, take it back out, paint it when I paint the truck. But she's hidden, you can't see it. So that's all for the SiKrado for right now. What up, YouTube? Sitting here editing the part 1 SiKrado video. Just gonna make this video short and sweet. We'll go ahead and upload part 1. I haven't put on the brand new fenders you guys gonna see in the clips, what you saw in the clips. I haven't uploaded the fender. I'm pretty much at a standstill right now, and the standstill that I'm at is I'm having a hard time picking out and ordering some wheels, man. I've been going back and forth between 6s and 8s and just haven't, made up my mind. And then my partner came over here with a Tahoe on some 6s, and I kind of like the way it looked on 6s. So then I started looking in the book, and I'll show you what I'm thinking about. One of my distributors, where is it? So I'm gonna end this video. Y'all give me y'all opinion. Either these, one of these two, man. One of these two. Either the Journeys or the Empire. I don't know. Whatever it is, I'm gonna then I'm having another decision if I should order black and just paint the whole wheel white. And then you got this machine in black, to where I figured just paint just the faces and leave the background and the lip black. I don't know. I honestly do not know. So that's how we're going to end this video, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think between these two, the Journey or the Empire, and the 26, which look better on the SiKrado. As of right now, I'm not finna do anything to the truck. The truck is paint ready. All I gotta do is put the fender on, paint it. But I'm not going to paint it until I get the wheel. So I'm going to ride around in primer with a gray bed until I decide which wheel. So, all right, we're going to end this video as you guys give me your comments on the Journey or the Empire, and do all white, or just the machine, and just do the faces white. So, and then I'm gonna take you guys comments in consideration, and I'll make my decision on part 2. So, all right, guys, part 2 on the SiKrado build coming soon.
I'm the man.